data scientist, business analyst, data engineer, or coder, or software developer, then you might be knowing GitHub is the platform for you. It is just like LinkedIn, but only a software developing or the coding community. So let me tell you in brief what is GitHub. GitHub is an open source community for software developers, coders, AI people, and also the data scientists and data engineers. Herein, what you can do is you just put on some kind of projects which you have done in your college time, or any time you have developed any API, you have developed any software, you have developed any kind of app. So you put that app, or you put that code of that app in the GitHub when you create your profile, and that is how these things are being recognized by recruiters and all over the world, the companies and the institutions which are there on that platform. So GitHub, let me tell you, is just an open source community, just like LinkedIn, but specifically for coders and software developers. So we also have people from Madrid software who have developed there, who have opened their profile on that platform. And in another video, we'll be coming up how to create a profile, how to upload projects, and how you can get recognized on the software itself. Let me just tell you some things about Madrid software. We have some courses which are specially designed for data science, data engineering, and the AI people. You can just look into the website, which is in the description box. The link is in the description box, and you can just see what courses we are offering and which course better suits you. So hurry up. Also, if you like this video, do share this video, do like this video, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.